stylish, spacious and super location. This home is immaculately presented and will delight. And it has a low-maintenance rear garden. The home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And it has lock-up garaging for 2 cars. The kitchen has been built to impress. This home has a smart wired theatre room. And it also has a laundry loaded with storage options. This property comes with polished timber floorboards, as well as his and her bathroom vanities. Add to that a sparkling below-ground swimming pool. Looking for the ultimate home for your family? Ideal for relaxing at the end of the day. Did you enjoy the video? Want to learn more?